Title, Colossians 3, 1-4, search for the above content. The words always appearing in the text show the most eschatological and most realistic Christian identity. Who the hell are we? How else should I live? These are very valuable words that give answers to these fundamental questions. There are words that reveal our identity. It means you and together. The phrase "you are with Christ" occurs 3 times, 1, 3, 4. But semantically, it appears 4 times. Because in verse 3 you are dead, you died with Christ, 2, 12, 20. Based on this indicative of our identity, we are giving imperative counsel on how to live. 1. Who are we? We are not alone. A person who considers himself alone is not a Christian. A person with Christ. A person who is united with Christ and has a common destiny. A person who shares life in union with Christ. Therefore, we are the ones who have the treasure, the life of Christ, the Holy Spirit, in the earthen vessel, flesh, 2 Corinthians 4, 7. 1. We died eschatologically with Christ before we died physically, v. 3a. 2. We have been raised with Christ, v. 1a, present resurrection 3, now our life is hid with Christ in God, v. 3b. 4. At the second coming. We will appear with Christ in glory, v. 4, future resurrection 2. How should we live like this? As Christians, we have 2 ways to live. 1 is the worldly way. It is to live with a physical life. It is a way of living with things that are visible on earth. The other is the heavenly way. Spiritual life, that is, living by the Holy Spirit. It's a way to live with things that are invisible to the eye. Brothers and sisters, which method will be beneficial to us? 1. We must make above things our purpose in life, v. 1b, seek the things above. The Greek word for find is zetite. Seek his kingdom and his righteousness, Matthew 6, 33, is also seek. Ask, and it will be given to you, seek, and you will find, Matthew 7, 7. Above is the goal and focus of life. This should be our vision. The reason is not only in our identity, but also because where Christ is seated at the right hand of God, v. 1b. Because Christ is the heir of all things, so he is the model for us. 2. Therefore, we should not think of things on earth, but things above, verse 2. It's not about escaping from the world. It's a matter of values. It's a matter of love, it's a matter of what you put in your heart. Remember that the earthly things belong to the above. Those who seek the upper and think on the upper can obtain latitude and obtain the land, Matthew 6, 33. Jesus is our model. What is beneficial to you?